Welcome to Samsung Repairs Ireland, the most advanced Samsung repair center in the country. We use the latest technology at our state-of-the-art facility in Dublin to bring your Samsung device back to life. So whether it's the latest Samsung Galaxy smartphone or an old Samsung laptop, we've got you covered. We provide free quotes and have a no-fix, no-fee policy. And don't worry if you can't make it to us. We provide a nationwide collection service. Have your Samsung repaired the professional way and call us today on 01-872-8722 or visit our website www.samsungrepair.ie.